We have another sponsor for this video. Let's check him out. Alright, so for a sponsor for this video is Zeus.Gamer, the gamer. The reason why is subscribe to him, he subscribed to me. What's this one? Whoa, Zeus.Gamer is online right now.
But this is
Alright, hold on. Recording right now. Now, as a sponsor, as you are a sponsor for this vid. Alright, so here we're gonna go. This is the gamer. If you haven't played Roblox, go ahead. You can sign up. It's free. Totally free. Totally free. I'll have the link in the description below. You can sign up, play some Roblox. This is the gamer. But since you are a sponsor for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and play the Evil 2. Just the gamer. I really liked your Zelda video. I didn't watch all the way through. Of course, I actually beat it once. I'm beating it at the second time. So once you beat it, basically what it does is it makes you start over, but in a special way. Where your sword gives more damage. Okay. And choose again. It also doesn't have the green clothes. Then my Wii U controller got lost. You're probably playing on Nintendo right now, and the Switch. I'm gonna get one. It's really easier to play in Nintendo Wii U. So you're probably playing it on it. I don't know which one you're playing on. But thank you very much for sponsoring this video, and thank you very much for commenting. Really quick. No notifications. I hear ya. So, thank you, Zeus.Gamer, for sponsoring this video very much. Thank you also for subscribing. Like goal for this, we're actually getting a lot of subs these days. We already got like 3 subs in a week, so here is our sub goal. We're going for 8 subs today, guys, as well as we're gonna go for the like goal of 10. I didn't check the car instructions. So I didn't check cat video. If you didn't watch it yet, it has a lot of views. I didn't check the like goal, so it better be 10. As well as there should be a few comments. I didn't check there. Alright, so I'm about to check after I'm done recording. Thank you very much for this video today. This is just a gamer. Gamer. Alright, we're gonna join another server real quick. Oh, right, I forgot to show. You guys, I finally have Tiger uniform. I was gonna make a video on it, but then I just didn't have enough time to edit it, so I left it alone, so it'll probably be in this video. But let's play some book 1. Alright, some more, huh? Red key, orange key, sorry. Here's the lobby. I got the yellows. Okay, that's the wrench. The wrench is really useful, so I'm gonna. That's for the escape, right? It's also for something else. But this is the same guy I played with yesterday. He had the small traps, as well as he had the Inky card. He also had Dino Pig.
Yeah. Hold on.
We don't know his name, but he has the same entire things. Right, so we'll get the mirror, jump over that, and then we're gonna go here.
Getting the blue skin.
Of course, we need it for something else. Because we can't get it still.
Nice. Can I get the blue skin real quick?
So we can't get it. Hey, doo-doo! I told you we couldn't get it. Now you just wasted all my time. All my precious time while you did that. That was actually really fast. Should we go alleys? Alleys. Alias. Okay. Oh yes. Oh yes. Don't see. I might reload. Oh, stop. Yeah, no more notifications. He was online a few minutes ago. Hold on, dude. Oh, God, I forgot to click on anyways. I'm going with player, because I really want to be. Oh, no, please be. Okay, please be. Player has been selected. Please be me. I scream. It's just that I haven't even seen my tiger uniform skin. I haven't even played as it yet. Refinery's easy, dude.
Yeah.
It's sort of easy. Okay, not that easy. But what is that blue thing? I'm always wondering. Is that my hat? Okay, so skizzers. That's what Creek says. I think it's skizzers. Let's see. Nope. It's usually when the green key spawns. The grenade, like right off the bat, I see the grenade. Red key isn't here. It's probably gonna be behind this. No, then it's probably in the cafeteria. Yeah, try not to activate Felix. Grab that and then run. Dude, someone already activated Pandy and froze it. They froze Pandy. All right. I'm not saying that is bad actually. It's sometimes really glitchy. Yeah. There we go. Okay, we're gonna grab the screwdriver. There. Go. This. Oh. There we go. Probably gonna see me. No. Yeah, he needs to go back to the spot first. Didn't see anything. Oh, yeah, the yellow key. I didn't see a blue key in there. Is there a blue key? No, there wasn't. He's upstairs. Oh. There we go. No, oh god. 53 coins. There we go. Premiere is basically a video and the uploading time, or a standard version uploading time, because it uploads and then was like, what? No. Right, next server will be Parkour Tower. Or actually, Obby Premiere is what I'm gonna name this thing. Obby. Let's see. Pokemon Obby. Pokemon Obby. Alright, here we go. Pokemon Obby. 50% liked. 50% liked. Alright, here we go. It's a 50% like. There's zero people playing it, and there's Army Man. This is the guy I used for my team. Don't be serious. He's literally here. Checkpoint. Is that a checkpoint? Because I don't even know if that's a checkpoint. I heard they were just floating invisible blocks. Or is that a kill box? Or just for kill box? Alright, what is this? It just gave me fire path. What? I can just. Okay, no. And then I just fall. Are you serious? Oh, also, I use this coast admin. Thank you. Okay, no, I don't even. And, oh. Okay, he tried to create his own path, and that's so glitchy. Oh my god. I'm just married character. And, oh my god. Alright, hold on. Next hobby. Pokemon hobby. Zero people playing it. Yeah, this is definitely different. Are those adopting T-Rexes? I don't even know if T-Rexes. Professor Oak. Oh god. Wait, I like it how it. OMG, this obby is so hard. Starting from the beginning, guys. Like literally. Okay. Did I just do that? I don't even believe I did that. Oh my god. An impossible obby. Alright, next up we're going to TV obby. How I know TV obby? I created it. Alright, TV obby. Here we go. Not that. Okay, creations. Models, yes. I created pool set and ladder. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Escape TV obby. Yo, you know it. I'll have the game to this in the link description. I actually the link to this in the description below. It's fine. Alright, there we go. That's pretty easy. These are kill bricks. Yeah, there you go. Those are kill bricks. Alright, hold on. Yeah, that's easy. And there's a little shortcut here because this is so hard. I didn't realize there was a shortcut. There you go. That's pretty much the end. Alright, yeah. Next, we're gonna go to Go to Greens. Let's search up TV Obby. Trust me, mine's is gonna be long. Ah, look, see, there's a bunch. TV Obby, TV Obby. Is this mine? No, this is MG. That's a TV Obby. Black size. What? No way! Did you see that? Alright, hold on. Mine is on the front page! 29 visits, created 1024, updated 1045. Did I need to update this? I can't believe it's on the front page of when you just search in TV Obby. This is so good. Alright, next. This is not sort of an obby, it's definitely gonna improve your obby skills. It's called a crusher. We'll play that after some more Tower Fall. But yeah. Premiere is going on for like how much now? More than 7 minutes, of course. OMG. Oh, don't tell me.